would describe Webco's mindset of being physics first and discipline driven by how much time and effort we put into the research of our manufacturing process.
Every technical decision that we have, being physics first, means we have a technical reason and like thought process behind it. So we're not worrying about wasting our time on reasons and thought processes that don't actually impact the end product, which gives us an advantage in the industry.
By getting operation buy-in, we get discipline driven, and that's just being 100% engaged every day and applying those methods to guide our decision making and problem solving.
You know, like when we're trying to capture niche markets, you know, there's going to have to be a change in a process, a new piece of equipment, or a way to improve our current setup, or how to run faster, how to run better. These are all new ideas that are going to require new equipment, new standards, new procedures, you know, new revisions.
Good example would be a customer did require a special requirement. We can go back to that physics first, figure out exactly what they're looking for. And then the driven part would be to be able to go to the mill and provide a documentation and drive that with the core requirements, the specs that we need to fulfill that desired product.
So as the large mill manager, I'm kind of the buffer between engineering and production. So I help make sure that that is pushed what engineering is working on and make sure that that gets through production and is followed through on a daily basis.
Just about every day. We go through our technique sheets, we set up our mills, the engineers are out there with us, and we all just go through the physics of it and have a lot of fun doing it.
The science behind the processes that we use, we're able to produce a consistent and reliable product that our customers, you know, can expect. They know what they're getting whenever they purchase from us. They know that it's going to be a reliable and consistent product that's with no surprises.
We're not just going on shrugging our shoulders and saying we should try it this way, but everything has reasons, everything has justifications based in physics and engineering and science, right?
When an issue arises on the mill, we make sure that we ask the right questions and we let the science guide us in the direction to a solution. And if that solution happens to be a process change, then that's where the discipline driven comes in.
As long as everything checks out like that, that's where the discipline goes into play. And we just have to stay out there, stay engaged, pay attention, be ready for the next issue that might arise. And we have plenty of support if any of those issues do arise. So it's a good thing to live by, and we do apply it every day out here.
Making sure the crane is inspected before every shift, making sure the bundles are stacked right, making sure you're loading trucks the right way, unloading raw material, like everything has to do with physics, even just moving the bundles with a short piece of wood.
And also whenever you are using a forklift, you want to make sure that you are paying attention, that you are honking your horn, you're looking forwards and around, paying attention to your surroundings so there are no accidents.
A lot of it is just one giant experiment, and we're studying the process as we go. And as we study what we've done so far, we take the data we have and we see how we can make it better and how we can improve upon it.
By doing that, physics first, discipline driven, we are making our processes better. We're able to make our product a lot better, makes us more competitive in the market.
It sounds funny when you tell people, yeah, we're dominating the tube market. It's like, what are you talking about? But we're actually doing it though. Like, we're actually really good at it.